Hi, this is Navan. Let's read a new story today. Story name Live and Let Live. Once there was a big pool near a village. The villagers used the water of the pool for drinking and for other purposes also. The pool was abounded with fish. Once a fisherman went fishing to the pool. He cast his net into the pool and sat down. But he was very impatient. So he tied a long string to a small stone. Then, putting it into the pool, he began to stir the water to drive more fish into his net. A villager saw him do so and asked him not to make the water muddy. But the fisherman didn't listen to him and went on beating the water and making it dirty. So the villagers brought some companions armed with weapons. Seeing them, the fisherman got scared. He drew out his stone and apologized. Thank you for watching the video. Please feel free to subscribe and like for more video. Again, thank you.